Hey guys, welcome back to Hàn Zì 101. For today's video, I'm going to review what we've learned in the past 4 videos. I'm going to write down a whole sentence and also introduce you a Chinese festival. So today is April the 4th, 2020. It's also 清明节, which means Tomb Sweeping Festival. It's a traditional Chinese festival for family reunion and to like memorial service of ancestors. So it's one of the most important traditional Chinese festivals, just like Spring Festival in early February or late January, and then this one is in early April, and then Qingming Festival, and the next one is Dragon Boat Festival in June or late May, and then Mid-Autumn Festival. So when we come to the season, I will introduce you to each individual festival in Chinese culture. So today, this sentence is written down in Chinese, so you learned all the characters and numbers in Chinese. So I'm going to read the whole sentence in Chinese for you. So 今天是2020年4月4日星期六，也是清明节。So the new character today is 也 which means also. And then this 清明节 is a new word. So actually the second character you've already met is also in 明天. Which means tomorrow. So 清明is one of the 24 solar terms. So it's related to agriculture. So it's time of the spring, and which means fresh green or cool and clear. And usually in China, for this 清明节, there is a public holiday, so people can have a day off, so like a long weekend. That's today's lesson. I hope you enjoy this lesson and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye!